Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the 800 watt electric juicer, fruit, vegetable blender. So I got this out of eBay for $34, free shipping plus tax. So the total damage is $36.98. So this one was the cheapest that I found, but actually I put it in the offer. Original price on this was like $39.99 or best offer. So I put in $34 and somehow the seller accepted. It says brand new, so hopefully that is true. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go and then open this up and check it out. The box seems like it's broken. My God, it is. So they have a red color or silver. The one that they show on the ad is silver color. So there's a push rod. Diameter is up to 65 millimeter. I think it's up to like a 3-inch. There's a stainless steel right here, and a PP material juice cup. It's a 3-speed regulation. I'm not sure, this is a pretty bad packing. It's supposed to be like a styrofoam. And here's the user manual guide. Right here there's a low, high, and then right here is a manual. So there's a slit right here. Doesn't allow you to turn once you push in. And this is where you lock it. You can unlock it. Take out the cap. for cleaning. And you need to remove this blue plastic. And make sure you want to wash it and clean it before using it. So yeah, we're gonna wash it real quick and then rinse it off, and let's test it. Alright, so after you washed with the soap and water, we're gonna put everything back. Gonna plug in. I'm gonna slice some of these apples. Turn on low. This time I'm going to turn on high. And this one's just a manual turn on.
A juicer?
Yeah, mini one, better. Powerful motor, yeah. Let me freaking hold it, see. Let's see, we're gonna put the oranges in and see. That was fast. Better than the old one that we have, and then we had to keep on pressing it. The apple I put in, no problem. So I'm not sure about this skin. If I put it in, what's gonna happen?
There's some apple juice in here?
Yeah. I put the small one, apple, and slice it.
They just
turn it on.
Oh.
Yeah. That's it. Turn it off. Really? It's fast. And you can do the vegetable, everything. So yeah, peeled out the skin, and you want to put the whole oranges with the peel in there. Never tried with the orange peel before, so don't want to damage it. There you have it. Wow, very good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Always, peace.